everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice. Like Portuguese.
E é detalhado sobre o vídeo do Starboard, configurar niveles e outras funções.
15% logo ने ही मेरे चैनल को subscribe.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara
皆
mengatur
さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法
You'll find other options too, like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! Discord and Perplexity Comet are giving away 5,000 orbs. I want you to watch this video till the very end so you don't miss anything. Firstly, click the 3 dots and then learn more. You'll find a download link. Just download it on your PC. After downloading, you can set it up. If they ask you about importing data, just click the button on the bottom left-hand side which says do it later. After you did that, just name your profile. When everything is done, click Start Comet. Now remember, your progress won't be tracked on the browser version of Discord. You need to specifically download the PC Discord. After downloading, just click the quest if you haven't already, and after that, spend 15 minutes on Comet Browser. Now I'm just browsing. I'll ask this AI something about myself. Let's see if it's trained to know me and my YouTube channel. To be honest, you don't need to do anything. Just stay on the browser screen for 15 minutes. But make sure not to change the screen. Surprisingly, it has done an excellent job. It knows everything about my YouTube channel and even Discord server that I give free decors and layouts to members. Now, let's time skip after 15 minutes. And here we go, we got free 5,000 orbs. We're gonna collect them. Now, in total we have 16,890 orbs. Your numbers might be different if you have spent it. Now what can you possibly get from 16,000 orbs? Everything like Nitro, default badges, avatar, and profile decor. Does this 5,000 orbs offer work on phone? I don't know, I have to try it first. If you wanted to make a separate video for phone, just let me know in the comments and let me know if you got 5,000 orbs. Anyway, if you liked the video, hit the like and subscribe button and join my Discord server now.